This is an example video of putting stuff from Google Sheets into a Google Doc so that it looks nice. Okay, it is very easy. I have a Google Sheet here, or a Google Doc here. It says example embed, and this is an example of stuff. And over in this window is a Google Sheet with a fake list and fake data too, which is very important for some reason. The first thing I'm going to do is make a chart in here that we're going to use later. So let's make this chart, and it really doesn't matter what we make because that's not what's important. So let's make a chart that we might, ooh, that chart looks kind of cool, but line charts are stuff we've used before. Let's make a different chart, a chart we rarely use. How about, move my picture from there. How about we use a radar chart? Great. It's nice and polar looking. So it is very fake. It's kind of a pretty design though, huh? Okay, so, oh, one thing you can do too, you can make that chart, you can move to its own sheet if you want it to be big. Look, see sheets. And by the way, while I'm in here, say you have a bunch of data and then you're doing stuff with it like making a chart. Okay. But then you have more data for like another chart. Don't create another Google Sheet. Just go down here and add a sheet within the file, and you can always rename. Let me move that picture out of here. You can always rename it to be like, this is the name of the second sheet of data. But you can also like have it have small names so that it's nice and easy to organize, like, you know, thing 3, whatever. You can even color code the sheet so it's easier to, like, you know things later. And then you can drag and change, what order they are on the stuff. And sometimes you may have like data from this sheet that you're like, well, I want to use the same data, but I don't want to mess with this sheet. You can just go and you can duplicate the sheet, and it says copy of sheet 2, and you can rename it to something else, or you cannot. But so now you've got copy of sheet 2 there. Okay, let's go back to what the original point of this was. We are just going to select this data chart, and there's like it even says here, for copy and paste, use Control C. So I'm going to hold down Control and click C.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back. Just a few reminders.
And I had to pause the video because of the announcement. So again, Control C, go back into my document, Control V. Now we are going to link it. You can paste it unlinked, but we are going to link it, and there is a reason why. But it doesn't always have to be linked. Let's go over to the sheet again. Let's pick our chart. Let's do copy chart. And then let's do Control V. We will link it again. And then there's our chart. It's in the document. We don't need to upload multiple things when we want to have a document that has. Yes, Jacob. Hello. Take a wipey and then your area. Remember the procedure. Yes, yes. So then here it is. It is there. Notice it has update and update. If I go into the file and I change some of the numbers, and I change that 4.1 thing, and I'll change that to over 9,000, so 9,001, that will change what the chart looks like. And kind of make the scale really big. So let's actually not change it to that. Let's change it to some smaller. Let's change it to something like 9. Okay, and then we'll look at our chart, and now it's still a change, but it's not this as dramatic of a change because of the scale change. Okay, and then we'll update it here. There's that 9. Okay, we didn't have to repaste it, and then we update it here, and it changes what it looks like there as well. Remember, make it a nice size and all that. So there, that's how you do that. Okay. I will post more videos of how you do other nicey nice things. So, and video